Alright, y'all, what's up, you guys? Going over here today. I'm back with a brand new vlog, and today I gotta head up to school on my old bike. Yes, I did sell it. I sold my old bike. If you've seen the last video, I sold it. But I am getting it. I'm getting a CR85 today, a 2006 CR85. Finally, finna be in the two-stroke life. Get my boy the car. They're gonna show me how to mix and all that shit. You know what I mean? But yeah, let me go ahead and finish getting ready. I'm just gonna be bumming today. I might throw the ones on. I'm gonna throw these on. Of course, I ain't gonna ride in them. I'm gonna ride on my slides and then throw my walls on when I get to school. But yeah, peace out, y'all. I'll see you when I get there. All right, y'all, your boy made it. Oh, it's a cold ride. It's gonna be a cold ride back too. I'm finna change my goddamn shoes and shit. And I'll be back with y'all. All right, we got the Force Ones on. Yes, sir. You see them? Yeah, we gotta head to this motherfucking school. Shit, I'm not really looking forward to it. I ain't gonna be there too long. I'm not gonna capture you. I'll be there for a little bit. But after that, I'm gone. We got school with it. Still got the ones on, bro. But definitely when I start riding there, the slides come right back on, bro. This nigga BB. Oh, boy, Kadarius. K, aka K on Instagram. At K. Yeah.
You know, they ain't seen these niggas. Look at that label. I ain't this label, nigga. Niggas ain't seen that one.
Boy. Finally made it back to the crib. Nice little last ride on the dirt bike. You know what I mean? I probably won't ride it no more till bro pick it up. We actually get a new bike that weekend today, so stay tuned for that video when that joint come out. All right, y'all, we finna try to get this motherfucker. I can push it to the road. Yeah. We're trying to get this motherfucker bump started. Last time I whole started up when it bump started, cause it's doing the same shit it was doing before. But I ain't gonna cap, it was doing the same shit that it was doing last time before we bump started the first time, then it got back running. It's doing that same shit, so.
We're gonna do halfway like we did. Don't do whole way. Remember last time we kept messing up.
Hell yeah. That whole, oh shit, this dog right there, that shit big as fuck. It's like a black dog right there. It just went behind the thing. I think it's the top end.
That shit scared me. I thought I broke something.
That shit said, it stopped. We gotta keep it like it was last time. Like even after you turn on, just keep on pushing that shit. All right, go ahead. Keep going.
definitely the piston. It's the piston. That's piston knock. It's the piston for sure. And that's cooling. I'm finna kill it. I'm finna kill it.
That's too much.
Yeah, that's way too much coolant.
I just wish, I wish my grandma left her truck key. We could have loaded that shit up and put it there. They can't make them some cases there.
Yeah, so basically, yeah, because I do want to take this down to Honda or something, the Honda down there. And it probably won't even start with the Kickstarter no more. Yeah, see that? They ain't gonna start no Kickstart. Ouch. What the fuck?
Not with no throttle.
Well, no throttle, it just does this. And then look, come and feel how easy that you can put it down. It's definitely the piston.
Yeah, you losing pressure.
Yeah. That's what it kept leaking out. It kept getting too hot and leaking out coolant yesterday. I can get a top end set for it if he have one. If they got them up there at Honda, because I can literally buy that today. All right, y'all, so we found out what the fuck is wrong with it. I rode it for that one day, and I guess I should have let it warm up more. I mean, but that shit ran. Like, after I took my hand off the throttle, it was idle. But that's the only way it'll start is by pushing it like that.
Full starting, yeah.
Yeah.
Because at first you was able to push start it too by yourself.
Yeah, now I can't no more. Watch. If I try to do that shit now, that shit will not do nothing. Because at first I thought it was this rattling because this was shaking. I held it and I still heard the noise. I was like, what the fuck? That's piston knock for sure. That shit was not doing nothing. And then look, I only got the clutch held in. And it's in first gear. I mean, if they don't have the parts up there, I could definitely order it. I'll just get a Wiseco kit with the piston, the rings, everything.
We got a lot of shit to do today.
Yeah, exactly. So we might have to just postpone this shit. And I'll just probably text Chase on my own time. Probably text him and be like, yo, I got an 85 piston slab. Y'all got, like, you know, a Wiseco piston set up there or something. They might have one at the AutoZone.
You got a man, I don't got shit to say. Do what you can, I don't got shit to say. You wanna leave, I don't got shit to say. Please don't never come back to my face.